Good morning, dear students. This is part 5 of chapter number 4, more on Microsoft Word 2016. Now, our next heading is paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing is the amount of space above or below a paragraph. अगर आप अपने पैराग्राफ से पहले या फिर बाद में स्पेस रखना चाहते हो, for that we will use paragraph spacing. For that, first of all, you have to select the paragraph like this. Now click on the paragraph dialog box launcher button. You can see in the paragraph group there is a small arrow here. You have to click it. After clicking on it, this paragraph dialog box will open. You can see spacing is written here and before and after is there. अब जितना भी स्पेस यहाँ पर क्रिएट करना चाहते हो, you can increase it like this. Okay. After that, you have to click on OK. See, it's done. Okay, this is how you can create space in between the paragraphs. Okay, now the next heading is changing line spacing. Line spacing is the vertical distance between successive lines of the text in a document. अगर आप lines के बीच में space create करना चाहते हो, for that we will use line spacing. Again, for that also, you have to select the paragraph first. Now you can see there is an option here in paragraph group, line and paragraph spacing. You have to click it. After clicking on it, this drop down menu will appear. You can see there are so many numbers written here. आप जितना भी space रखना चाहते हो, आप अपने according रख सकते हो. Okay. Suppose I want that much space in between my lines, then I will click on it. In this way, we can create space in between the lines. Okay. Now our next heading is inserting column and column break. When you type in Word document, by default the text is displayed in a single column style or paragraph style. जब आप Word में वर्क करते हो तो by default आपके सामने कितने columns होते हैं? One single column. If you want to insert column in your document, you have to click on the page layout tab first. Now you can see in the page setup group, column is there. When you click on column, it shows you so many options like 1, 2, 3, left, right, more columns. Okay. If you want to add 2 columns in your document, then click on 2. You can see कि अभी मेरे document में 2 columns बन चुके हैं. Okay. This is how we add columns in our document. Next heading is inserting column break. Column break किस लिए यूज होता है? If you have already added columns to your Word document, then you might have noticed that some of the columns are not as balanced as you would like them to be. That means, suppose this is my computer essay, but I want कि desktop computer comprises इस लाइन से मेरा जो ये पैराग्राफ है वो दूसरे कॉलम में शिफ्ट हो जाए. For that, what you have to do is you have to click before the paragraph. आपको paragraph से पहले click करना है. Then you have to click on break button. You can see in the page setup group, break button is there. When you click on it, this drop down menu will appear. You can see column is there. जब आप column पे click करोगे, you will notice कि जो मेरा paragraph है वो मेरे दूसरे column में shift हो चुका है. This is how we break a column. Okay. Next heading is working with tabs. The most common way to indent the text is to use the tab key. It is used to move the cursor at certain spaces in a document. If someone asks you what is the working of tab key, what you will answer? It is used to move the cursors at certain spaces in a document. Okay? By default जो आपका tab है वो कहाँ जाकर कितने इंच पर जाकर स्टॉप होता है? It's 0.5 inch. Okay. or you can change it according to your requirement also. For that, you have to click on the paragraph dialog box launcher button. You can see here it is. जब आप इस पर क्लिक करोगे, you can see at the bottom tab is there. You have to click it. Right now it is set at 1.27. You can increase or decrease it according to your requirement. Okay. After that, you have to click on OK. Next heading is indenting text. Indentation determines the amount of spacing between the text and the page margins. पेज मार्जिन्स और टेक्स्ट के बीच में स्पेस क्रिएट करने को हम क्या बोलते हैं? इंडेंटेशन. इफ यू वांट टू शिफ्ट द एंटायर पैराग्राफ टू द लेफ्ट or to the right, that is called indentation. Now how you will do it? First of all, you have to select your paragraph. Then you can see there are two options there in the paragraph group. This one is called decrease indent and this one is called increase indent. अगर आप अपने पैराग्राफ को आगे की तरफ शिफ्ट करोगे, that is called increase indent. Okay? जब मैं इस पे क्लिक करूंगी, you can see मेरा पैराग्राफ आगे की तरफ मूव हो गया है. All right? If you click on decrease indent, तो जो पैराग्राफ है वो पीछे की तरफ अगेन शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. All right? This is how we increase and decrease it. There is one more indent and it is first line indent. If you want to move only the first line of your paragraph, that is done by first line indent. For that, again you have to select the paragraph. Then you have to click on paragraph dialog box launcher button. You can see in the indentation, special is written here. You have to click on this down arrow and click on first line. All right, then you have to increase the left from here. Then you have to click on OK. See, it's done. आपकी जो फर्स्ट लाइन है वो आपके पैराग्राफ से क्या है? आगे है. Now the next heading is setting page properties. Word offers features to set the page properties such as page margins, page orientation, page size, and etc. Let's start with the first one. First one is page margins. Now the question is, what is margin? Margin refers to the amount of space that is left from the edge of the page and the document text. You can see in a document कि चारों साइड से कुछ space leave है. So इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Margin. Or you can set it according to your requirement also. You can see right now I am on page layout tab. You can see in this setup group, page margin is there. You have to click it. When you click on it, this drop down list of options will appear. The normal option is selected by default. You can select any predefined margin of your choice. Okay? If you want to set the margin according to your requirement, then for that you have to click on the custom margins. From there you can set your margin. Here you can see top, left, bottom, right is written here. You can change it according to your need. Okay? Then after changing it, you have to click on OK. Then आप जो भी margin set करोगे, it will apply in your document. Okay? Now the next one is setting page orientation. The page orientation is a property to set the printing direction of the text. Page orientation क्या होता है कि आप अपना document length wise print करना चाहते हो या फिर width wise. Okay, length wise if you want to print your document, that is called portrait. But if you want to print your document width wise, that is called landscape orientation. Okay, you can see in the page layout tab, orientation button is there. You have to click it and there are two options here, portrait and landscape. If you want to change the orientation of your document, then click on landscape orientation. Now you can observe the change. Next one is setting page size. If you want to change the size of your document, for that you have to click on the size button. You can see in the page setup group on the page layout tab, size button is there. जब आप इस पे क्लिक करोगे, दिस ड्रॉप डाउन मेन्यू विल अपीयर एंड you can select any size of your choice from here. Okay, there are so many size here: letter, A4 size, A3 size, A5 size. You can select any one of these. Okay, next heading is previewing a document. Word 2016 allows you to preview the document before printing. For that, you have to click on the File tab. You can see print option is there. You have to click it. This is the preview of my document. Like जब मैं इसको print करूँगी, this it will look like this. Okay. Now the next one is printing a document. After checking the preview of the document, you can follow the given steps to print it. First of all, click on the File tab. Then click on the Print option. Choose the printer from the printer properties drop down list. You can choose the printer of your choice from here. Okay. Enter the number of copies in the copies spin box. You can increase your number of copies from here. Okay. Now come to the settings section. First one is print all pages. Print all pages option prints the entire document. अगर आपको सारे के सारे pages print करने हैं, then you have to click on print all pages. Next one is print selection. Print selection option prints only the selected text from the document. अगर आपको केवल कुछ text ही print out निकालना है, for that you have to click on print selection. Next one is print current page. Print current page prints only the selected page from your document. ये अगर आप इस option को select करते हो, then it will give you the printout of only the selected pages. Now next one is custom print. Custom print options prints the specified range of pages from the document. Okay. After selecting all the required options, you have to click on print. You can see there is a print button here. You have to click it for printing the document. Okay. That's all for today, dear students. Thank you and have a wonderful day.